All right, what's up, YouTube? Got an unboxing here. I'm so stoked that I'm gonna open up some RNC cranks. Of course, that was the packaging. The label, I cut it off. Who cares? But I'm Sean White. I'm your mother's favorite rider. And let's get right into this. I don't need to tell you a lot. These are some cranks that are just coming out. I want to see him. You want to see him? I want to see him. I want to see him. You know what? Let's take these sunnies off. Let's check it out. Here we go. I mean, hasn't been opened. I haven't seen these yet, so this is going to be a real opinion. I paid for these. It's like about 300 bucks, probably about $7,000 with tax. I'm glad the taxes are so high. It's awesome. But we're gonna check these out. And oh, that's super sealed. Super cranks, super sealed. You know, our Willie, he rides these cranks. He does that 900 flare off your mom's back, and he's amazing. If he can ride these cranks, you can ride these cranks, no problem. So I don't even know what to do, but I'm so stoked. RNC is the brand. BMX is the game. We're oh, I just saw something. Let's just pull that out. Yowza, yowza, yowza. Wow. Is just a spindle in the bottom bracket. Oh man. Smells like machine shop. Smells like success. Wow. Let's just look at this first real quick. Wow. I believe 22 or 24 spindle. Made in USA. Made in USA, little titanium outer bolts. Smooth threads. Smooth. Look at that. Look at those splines. All hollowed out. Precision. Made in USA. Oh, what do we got there? Wow, look at the wall thickness. Man. Full-on revolver. We haven't even seen cranks yet. This is just a bottom bracket. This is light. Wow. All those splines. Smaller bearing. Just butter. Look at that, no struggle. Not using a hammer. Look at that, no struggle. You better sell your car to get these. My God, titanium. This is very light. Threads, perfect. I mean, you see no struggle. Yeah, I don't have this breaker bar. This is perfect. Well, there's that, and that's unbelievable. Here's first. I don't even know what else I'm grabbing. Should we pull out a crank arm? Oh, what's this? Oh, a little tool for a 3/8 drive to plug into there. Well, looky there. Looky there. Wow. Little RNC on the end of that thing. Little 3/8 drive. So that plugs into there, and that's to tighten down. Comes with its own tool. Stepping your game up. Look at that. Well, you're not going to make better cranks than this. Good luck. Look at that. Clever. Wow. Okay. What other surprises are in here? An ATM card, a bank card. Oh. Wow. So this is to run a Spline Sprocket. That is an adapter. That's titanium. This weighs air. You can see the splines in there, and that's to plug into your profile sprocket or anything else that's splined. Or because it's 22 or 24. I don't know. It's large. Let's pull out an arm. Let's pull out the other arm. Wow. 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 Oh boy. Oh boy. Christmas came early this year. Better get on a paper route or something and get these cranks. Wow. Machined in, 160 length right here. And then nice ball end texture in there. 24 spline. Little R machined in there for right hand pedal thread. Nice machine passes. Quality. Okay, try to see all the light lines. Let's see this here. Let's see this little. I'm just curious. I'd like to see how this goes. I'm sure it's magic. But it's going to be tight, so I'm expecting the best. Wow. Right on with no hammer, no nothing. I don't want to push too far because I want to do it once. Just right on time. I mean, this weighs nothing. This weighs nothing. Aluminum cranks, mid-bottom bracket, RNC, made in the USA. Awesome machining. You can just see the passes. Dynamite. All right. Hit them up. RNC.com. eBay, wherever you can find them. Call your bike shop. Call your mail orders. Man, I love it. Sean White, Biz House. I just want to thank Dan's Comp why I'm here. Dan's always helps me out through the years. I love him. Anyone that rides, keep riding. Keep doing it. It's Sunday. I'm going to ride. Come on down. Thank you. What's up?